to fix an electrical problem. She called me up, this apartment manager, super nice people. Neat stories. He works with a country band, like a manager. And of course, we're all managing through life. Anyway, he is an interesting guy. He just went through open heart surgery and all that stuff, or something like that. Tough thing to deal with, all that pain. Anyway, I'm back to electrical problem. She called me up and said, "Hey, we got a washing machine supposedly that is tripping the main breaker. What do we do? Why is it tripping the main breaker? Unplug the washing machine." She goes, "Oh, I think it's our washing machine." Yeah, well, let's just make sure, unplug the washing machine. So she unplugs the washing machine. This time it don't trip the main breaker. I guess it does. It trips the main breaker, but it's not plugged in. So that's a problem with something else than the wash machine. All right, I'm gonna turn the air conditioner on so if the noise comes up, that's what it is. That's on the phone. I'm telling her, like, "Hey, what else you got plugged in there?" "I don't know." She just starts unplugging the TV and everything else. Still trips. This time it trips a small breaker, 15, 20 amp breaker. So unplug that stuff. She did. I said, "See if it trips a breaker." He goes, "Yeah, it trips a breaker again. This time I saw sparks. I heard popping noise." "Where was the popping noise?" "I'm not sure. It's over in the corner or something." It's like, well, she goes, "Let me turn this light on." When she turned the light on, spark came from the ceiling fan. It's like, oh my goodness, it catches. Oh my goodness, I thought, it's like, "I'm going to leave this off. You need to come up here and help me as soon as you can." I was like, "Okay, I'll be over there." I figured it's just a minor issue with the wiring up inside of the ceiling fan. But so I get there and I take the ceiling fan down. The bottom bracket that it sits on the ceiling was turned upside down. It has the part that hangs from a round part that you hook on into. That wasn't there, and it was just hanging by the wires. And the bracket that goes around, a decorative bracket, it was hanging inside of that, and the wires on the inside of that were spun around. I was like, okay, this doesn't have all the parts to it. So whoever put this together didn't have all the parts and just hung it up there by the bracket that's up here that's upside down. And she goes, "How do you know it's upside down?" I said, "Well, this hook that's on the bracket, when it's turned the other way, you can take this decorative ring and hang it on there and it'll hold up the whole fixture while you're wiring it up." "Oh," so she says, "I've got another fan, brand new one, so let's do that." Okay. So I took that fan down and now she gives me the brand new fan and I start putting it together, and I didn't know she had turned the breaker back on and the light switch was off. So I was like, okay, here I am. Bow, sparks fly. So it tripped the breaker. I was like, why are we getting hot when the switch is off? Is that switch say off? And I went over there, yeah, it says off. Oh, and the breaker's off now. Okay, let me pull the switch out. I'll take the cover off the switch, pull the switch out. She says, "Oh, I'm here, I'm gonna help you." Okay, we'll turn the breaker on. Turn the breaker on. I measured where one of the legs, and it showed 110 to the ground. I measured the other leg, and it shows 110 to the ground. I turned the switch off, still shows 110 on both sides. So the switch is back. So let's turn the breaker off. Turn the breaker off, pull the switch. Went and got another switch, put that switch in. You see if it works. Oh, hey, it works. Go up there, turn the breaker off, start putting the fan together. Put the fan together, and it's missing the deal that extends the chain. So but we got all the way through it. Took a little while, but we got it all the way through. Like an hour and 45 minutes to take down a fan, troubleshoot what it was, put a new fan in, put a new switch in. That's how it goes. I would suggest that you never know exactly how long a service call will take, or any kind of a minor call. Just to let you know, this was a fun time for me. It wasn't a bad time. It's good hanging out with good people, and I'm not complaining. It's just the way it is. All right, I'll see you guys later.